In an increasingly competitive business environment, organizations must continuously improve efficiency while maintaining product quality and customer satisfaction. Management accounting therefore places considerable emphasis on cost reduction and value enhancement as strategic tools for improving profitability and long-term competitiveness. Unlike short-term cost-cutting initiatives that may compromise operational performance, modern cost management seeks to eliminate waste, optimize resource utilization, and enhance customer value through systematic analysis and continuous improvement. Techniques such as cost control, cost reduction programs, and value analysis enable organizations to achieve sustainable cost savings while preserving or enhancing product functionality and organizational performance. Cost control versus cost reduction. Although the terms cost control and cost reduction are often used interchangeably, they represent fundamentally different management concepts. Cost control is the process of regulating expenditure by comparing actual costs with predetermined standards or budgets and taking corrective action where deviations occur. It focuses on maintaining costs within established limits while ensuring that organizational activities operate according to approved plans. Cost control therefore emphasizes adherence to existing standards rather than changing the cost structure itself. The process of cost control generally involves establishing cost standards or budgets, measuring actual performance, comparing actual costs with standards, analyzing variances, implementing corrective actions. Cost control is preventive in nature and supports budgetary control, standard costing, and performance evaluation systems. In contrast, cost reduction refers to the permanent elimination of unnecessary costs without impairing product quality, functionality, or customer satisfaction. Cost reduction challenges existing methods and seeks fundamentally more efficient ways of performing activities through innovation, process redesign, technology adoption, and continuous improvement. Unlike cost control, which maintains existing standards, cost reduction seeks to establish lower cost structures by eliminating waste and improving productivity. While cost control preserves planned expenditure levels, cost reduction seeks sustainable improvements in organizational efficiency. Cost reduction methods. Management accountants employ numerous techniques to achieve cost reduction while maintaining product quality and operational effectiveness. Process improvement. Continuous improvement of production and administrative processes reduces waste, delays, duplication, and inefficiency. Lean manufacturing, workflow redesign, automation, and process standardization improve productivity while reducing operating costs. Waste elimination. Organizations reduce costs by identifying non-value-added activities such as excessive inventory, waiting time, unnecessary movement, overproduction, defects, and rework. Eliminating these activities improves efficiency and reduces resource consumption. Standardization and simplification. Reducing product complexity through standardized components and simplified production methods lowers purchasing, inventory holding, manufacturing, and maintenance costs, while improving production consistency. Automation and technology. Investment in information technology, robotics, artificial intelligence, and automated production systems reduces labor costs, improves accuracy, increases productivity, and enhances operational efficiency over the long term. Procurement and supply chain management. Negotiating supplier contracts, consolidating purchases, improving logistics, and establishing strategic supplier relationships reduce purchasing costs while maintaining quality standards. Workforce productivity. Employee training incentive schemes improve supervision, and better workforce planning enhance labor productivity and reduce overtime, absenteeism, and production inefficiencies. Just-in-time JIT inventory management. JIT systems minimize inventory holding costs by receiving materials only when required for production, reducing storage costs, obsolescence, and working capital requirements. Benchmarking. Comparing organizational performance with industry leaders enables management to identify best practices and implement cost-saving improvements based on external performance standards. Evaluation of cost reduction methods. Cost reduction techniques provide numerous advantages. They improve profitability, strengthen competitive advantage, enhance operational efficiency, increase productivity, reduce waste, and support sustainable long-term growth. Lower production costs may also allow organizations to reduce selling prices, increase market share, or improve profit margins. However, poorly implemented cost reduction programs may generate adverse consequences. Excessive cost cutting may reduce product quality, weaken customer service, lower employee morale, increase operational risk, and damage long-term competitiveness. Successful cost reduction, therefore, requires careful balance between efficiency improvement and preservation of customer value. Value analysis. Value analysis is a systematic technique that evaluates product functions with the objective of achieving the required performance at the lowest total cost without reducing quality, reliability, or customer satisfaction. The underlying principle of value analysis is that customers purchase functions rather than components. Every feature or activity should therefore contribute value from the customer's perspective. Costs that do not enhance product functionality or customer benefit represent opportunities for elimination. Value may be expressed conceptually as management seeks either to improve functionality while maintaining cost or reduce cost while preserving functionality, thereby increasing overall value. The value analysis process generally involves identifying product functions, determining customer requirements, analyzing cost components, identifying unnecessary costs, generating alternative design or production solutions, evaluating alternatives, and implementing improvements. Examples include redesigning products with fewer components, substituting lower-cost materials without reducing quality, simplifying assembly processes, standardizing components, or eliminating unnecessary product features that customers do not value. Evaluation of value analysis. Value analysis offers several important advantages. It encourages innovation, reduces unnecessary expenditure, improves product design, strengthens competitiveness, enhances customer satisfaction, and supports continuous improvement initiatives. It also promotes cross-functional collaboration between engineering, production, purchasing, marketing, and finance departments. However, value analysis may require significant time, specialized expertise, and organizational commitment. Implementation costs may be substantial, and proposed design changes may encounter resistance from employees or suppliers. Furthermore, inaccurate assessment of customer preferences may lead to removal of features that customers consider important. Despite these limitations, value analysis remains one of the most effective strategic cost management techniques because it simultaneously reduces costs and enhances customer value. In conclusion, cost reduction and value enhancement are complementary management accounting strategies that support long-term organizational competitiveness. While cost control ensures adherence to planned expenditure, cost reduction seeks permanent efficiency improvements, and value analysis systematically eliminates unnecessary costs while preserving product functionality. Together, these approaches enable organizations to improve profitability, optimize resource utilization, strengthen customer value, and achieve sustainable competitive advantage in dynamic business environments.